A current amplifier. A current amplifier is an electronic circuit that increases the magnitude of current of an input signal by a fixed multiple and fits it to the succeeding circuit. This process is termed as current amplification of an input signal. The waveform at the input and output terminals denote the magnitude of current with respect to time. Notice that the entire waveform is stretched at the output by a fixed factor. In electronics, gain is the technical term used for rating the amplifying capability of an amplifier. Mathematically, the gain of a current amplifier is the ratio between the magnitude of current flowing through its output terminals to the magnitude of current of the input signal. As it is a ratio, it has no units. Characteristics of an ideal current amplifier. For designing a current amplifier, a set of rules that specify its theoretical behavior are to be made. Below are those ideal characteristics. The amplifier current gain should remain constant for the entire range of input signal. The current amplifier gain should be independent of ambient conditions such as temperature and humidity. The input impedance of the current amplifier should be equal to 0. The output impedance of current amplifier should be infinite. Below are the list of components required for current amplifier. 1 BC547 transistor, 4 resistors of 18 kilo ohm, 1.5 kilo ohm, 550 ohm and 1 kilo ohm, 2 capacitor of 1 microfarad and 10 microfarad, a few connecting wires and a power supply ranging between 5 volt to 12 volts. This is the circuit diagram of current amplifier. BC547 transistor. Transistor stands for transfer of resistance. It is commonly used to amplify current. BC547 is an NPN bipolar junction transistor. A small current at its base controls large current at collector and emitter terminals. It is used for amplification and switching purposes. For amplification applications, the transistor is biased such that it is partly on for all input conditions. The input signal at base is amplified and taken at the emitter. BC547 is used in common emitter configuration. Capacitor. A capacitor is a device that stores electrical energy in an electrical field. It is a passive electronic component with two terminals. The effect of a capacitor is known as capacitance. The SI unit of capacitance is farad, which is equal to 1 coulomb per volt. Resistor. Resistor is passive two-terminal component. Resistor has the ability to reduce current flow and hence measurement of opposition of current flow is known as resistance. Unit of resistance is ohms. The value of resistor is calculated using color codes. This is the circuit of current amplifier using BC547 transistor. As you can see, there is a BC547 transistor, a capacitor of 1 microfarad and a few resistors in the circuit. The input line is of 10 volts and this is the ground line. So, input is given from here and output is extended from here. This is sinusoidal waveform as input for circuit. After amplification, we get this amplified sinusoidal waveform as an output. If the video was informative, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Do comment in comment box for any doubt.